Sing, little bird, sing, sing, little bird, sing. Raise your head, my little bird, and sing, sing, little bird, sing. Come sit by my window. Oh, my love, it won't be long. You'll be free someday and fly away far from that place and sing, little bird, sing. Sing, little bird, sing, sing, little bird, sing. Raise your head, my little bird, and sing, sing, little bird, sing. Pray to God, oh, give me wings to fly, 'cause in here there's always sorrow, people preferring to die. Oh, why do they keep us here, so far away from love and always in fear? And sing, little bird, sing. Beating close to mine. Oh, my mother, how long before I see your face? And we will live together and we'll both be safe and see